Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to do some basic probability questions step by step, just like the way we do it in the classroom and from our lecture notes. So this is our first problem. It says it consists of 5 outcomes and it wants to know the probability of E5. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to add all of them up. So we have E1, E2, E3, and E4. So I'm going to just write them all down real quick. Plus 30 and plus 10. And if you notice, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, but it says there's 5. So what we're gonna do is when we add it all up, we're gonna subtract whatever we get with 1. So 1 minus x. And this will be our 5th one, because I'm gonna show you in a second. So this is 80. So 0.80 will equal 0.20. And this will be our 5th E. And the reason is because even if we only got 4, the 5th one is implied because it have to be all the sum have to be equal to 1. And it's a rule that even if it don't tell you, it always have to be into 1. So if they said there's 6 outcomes, but you only see 5, then the 6th one is implied. So is that one. Okay, and now we're gonna go to the next one. And we just see to pass 100 days, compute the P probability of 0 cars and 1 cars separately, and then we can just select from which one we want. So I'll just write this out. Probability ITY is equal to numbers of days and total days. So we have these two. I'm gonna write them out. So P0 cars, that's 25 over 100. P1 cars, that's 40, 100. And this is like relative frequency, if you remember from last chapter. So I have 0.25 and 0.40, and we can just double check. So we have 25 and we have 40. And now we're gonna do the next two. I'm gonna just leave one right here. And then, okay, so now we have problem 3. And let's read it. For that, select a random. What's the probability of at least 2? So for at least, it means two pets or more. That's what that means. So if we look at it, we can't use 1 or 2 because that's less than. So we have 2, 3, and 4. And now we're just gonna add up other probabilities. So I'm gonna say add up. So I have 0.35 plus 0.15 plus 0.10. And that is 60. And I think it would help if I write it like this too for you guys. So at least 2 is equal to 1 minus the probability of less than 2. And this is called, right here, this is called a complement because it's like the opposite basically. And I hope that would help if you want to like explore it a little bit more, since this would be 60. And then the last one, let me read a little bit. So we have simple space with that and the probability. This is our events, and they want to know that. I'm so out of breath. Okay, so first, sorry, my chair. Okay, so first we're gonna find the common element. So if I look right here, the only thing I see is the 3. So our common element is equal to E3. So what is E3? E3 is 0.30, and since it's an intersection and is overlapped, let me write this down. Intersection equal to and this is overlap, like to see in a different perspective. And it would be 30. Well, 0.30. And this is how we'll do for these. If you guys watch it to the end, thank you. These are just like really basic for your homework review, but I hope this helps and have a great day.